The Impact of Sports on the Development of Cultural Turfgrass Management Practices by Andrew White. There have been many variables related to the development of cultural turfgrass management practices. Over time, turfgrass management practices have been altered in order to improve overall turf quality based on the needs of its application. This video will show how sports have impacted the development of turfgrass management practices. Grasses. Choosing the right grass for a sports field is very important. Some grasses are more tolerant to wear than others. Also, some grasses are better suited for cool weather, while others are better suited for warm weather. Some typical cool season sports field grasses are Kentucky bluegrass and perennial ryegrass. The most common warm season grass used on sports fields is Bermuda grass. Over time, different varieties of these grasses have been developed to perform better. Technology. Technology has played a major role in the development of the sports fields we see today. One form of technology that has impacted sports turf management is traffic simulation. Machines have been developed that simulate wear by mimicking human tendencies while playing sports. These machines have helped turf managers choose the right grass for their sports field or fields. Here we have a picture of a Toro turf traffic simulator. Composition. Not all sports fields are composed of the same root zones. The International Turfgrass Society Research Journal says, although the majority of sports fields are built simply and on native soil, modern sports field construction focuses on the technology of sand root zone medium. Native soil fields and sand-based fields both have advantages and disadvantages. Native soil fields have a higher cation exchange capacity than sand-based fields, while sand-based fields drain easier. Because of increased drainage and low cation exchange capacity, it is relatively easy to control nutrients and herbicides within a sand-based field. This being said, sand-based fields are typically more desirable than native soil fields in the present. Maintenance. Some of the maintenance practices have basically stayed the same throughout time, but a few have changed dramatically. One of these practices is mowing. Originally, turf grass was maintained by grazing animals. Animals ate grass, keeping it at a reasonable height for sporting events such as polo. As time went by, fields were maintained using scythes. Eventually, Edmund Bunning invented the lawnmower. Throughout sports field history, many different mowers have been used, such as horse-drawn mowers, rotary mowers, and various forms of reel mowers. Today, sports fields are mowed using either a rotary mower or a reel mower. Reel mowers are more desirable based on the quality of cut they provide. However, reel mowers are more expensive to buy and maintain than rotary mowers. Therefore, rotary mowers are still used to mow many sports fields. Here we have a picture of a rotary mower on the left and a reel mower on the right, and it shows how they work. The reel mower mows like scissors, while the rotary mower just cuts the tops off like a sling blade. In conclusion, turfgrass management practices are constantly changing based on demand and advances in technology. The human love of sports has been one of the greatest influences on the development of cultural turfgrass management practices. The end.